friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make your blog post private on WordPress website. As you can see, I'm into the WordPress admin dashboard, and here we are into the post section and we have opened the all post, right? So here you can check out that I have written 26 blogs and I'm going to the 18 published blogs, right? So I can make any of my blog posts as private, right? And here you can simply check there is an option of edit and quick edit under the blog post title, right? We need not to open the editor mode as well. We can simply do it from the front also. If you can click on quick edit, then you can simply make this blog post as private. You need to check in this private button, right? And you just need to click on update. This was the first method using which you can simply make your blog post private on your WordPress website, so it would not be publicly visible. So if any user coming on your website can't see this particular blog post, only those users with whom you have shared the link of this blog post can check it out, right? So we are not going to understand using this method. I'm also going to tell you the second method as well, right? You can click on edit for opening the editor mode of this blog post, and from here as well, right, you can check in the right side toolbar. Here is the status showing in the post section. It is right now published. You can simply click on the published, and here you can change the status and visibility of this blog post. The first one is of draft. You can again make this blog post as a draft. Might be if you have made any mistake while writing this blog post, then you can again change the status of your published article or blog post to the draft, right? You can also put it under the pending status so that the editor can review it and then publish it later, right? You can also make it as private, only visible to site admins and editor, right? This blog post is not public anymore, right? You can also check in the scheduled if you want to schedule this blog post on the future date, right? You need not to publish right now. And the last status is of publish, right? Which right now this blog post is already published, right? You can also check in the password protected method, using which if a website visitors reaches the URL of this blog post, then automatically it will ask him or her about the password which he needs to enter to read this blog post, right? Then only this blog post would appear in front of that user, right? You can also make it as sticky, so in the blog page this blog post would be shown in the top. So these are some options which you can use. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about this particular topic, then I have also mentioned the blog post link in the video description that you can read and come to know more about it, right? Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.